Ready?
Ready. Just go according to that time. Just do 10 seconds off. So what's the sensation like?
Sharp.
Super cold?
Yeah, I want to get out.
Says, yeah, it's a fight or flight. Fight or flight says get out. It's not damaging the body though. Feel a little tingly?
Yep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy. 10, 9, 8,
1 minute.
2, 1. Easy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go deeper.
Oh, he went ahead of time.
Yeah. Alright, since this is the last day in the ice, we're gonna... You're good, you're good. Alright, go back in. Go back in. And then in 5 seconds, I'm gonna have to put your face in and then you just jump out. Attaboy. Yeah.
Towel, please.